Let me show you how you can generate feature specification based on linked feedback. So we have a feature, text on a connector line. This feature is related to whiteboard. So people want to put some text on a connector line. The spec is like empty, but we do have some linked highlights. Like people did request it and we linked the feedback here. So let's just click the button and see what specification can be generated. Now AI analyzes all linked highlights. And you see we have a list of problems here. And the problems are very relevant, like they really represent what people need. Like inability to place text at various positions along arrows. By the way, interesting problem. So people want to place text not only in the middle of the line, but in the edge. And maybe I'd miss it. And also we have some solutions, very brief description and some use cases, like I want to adjust text, like precise text maybe here, like position flexibility, like I want to put text at the start or at the middle or at the end of the connector line. It's an interesting thing. Again, maybe I'd miss it if I just write it by myself. And the system also generates some references to like solutions where it can be solved already. So we can check like Joyo, Microsoft Vision, Lucid Charts. Miro somehow is not in this list, but anyway. And again, how it works. It's just a prompt. So let me show it to you. So we have this button and we execute this prompt. The prompt is quite large, but it do a lot of things. First is analyze all linked highlights. So this is how we pass all highlights collection to this prompt, and it just has it. So it analyzes all problems from this list of feedback and extract top problems and then generate a solution based on this template. You definitely can change this template for your own needs, but we use a very simple form here. And as you see, just from a feedback and like feature name, you have pretty decent start to specify your solution. Again, problems are already good, solution is not great, but it's a good start. So if you are a product manager, I believe it will save you quite many hours for many features if you will start doing it.